Okay, you can do it now. You can go.
Honey, would you take this ring to be with me the rest of our lives for good?
That's the wrong hand.
for good to bad, for better for worse, you know?
You act like you've never done this before.
Well, it's not going on. I want to break your finger.
Of course, you know this is going on YouTube and Facebook, right?
Like that? Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
If I said yes?
If you said yes, well, I better take it back off, huh?
Why should I?
Why you should, take me?
Yeah.
Well, I take good care of you, honey, and I help you out, and I try to help you, and I like to help you.
And you love her, maybe?
What?
And you love her, maybe?
Oh, of course, I always love her.
Oh, yeah, that too.
I always love her. You know.
Okay, yes. It's okay.